chocolate drinking milk. It's over there. Bro, I used to drink comfortably 2 liters of milk a day in prison. What was that? But is this the longest tunnel I've ever been in my life, cuz? It's damp. The roads are damp. And we're going downhill. Brother, we've been going downhill in a dark, damp tunnel for like 15 minutes, cuz. How can we be going in a tunnel for this long down? Brother, like, I'm rolling. We are going significantly down. I'm not even accelerating, look. What's happening, cuz? I'm wigging out, bro. It's full making me become schizophrenic, bro. Where am I going, bro? Is this a portal? I'm talking like, bro, I won't exaggerate, 20 minutes plus. How is that possible? In a cave. See light. I can see light.
Oh my God.
Bro, my mind was playing games with me, cuz. Oh, I think I caught schizophrenia in that tunnel, cuz. In a way, it's this is gonna sound weird, but it smells like dead ants in a way, but not fully. I think I caught schizophrenia.
Keep going to all of you. See how you see a little path like they're going to spin out on me. This is annoying because someone will go on our toes, but they're going to spin out on me. This is annoying someone will go on our toes. And I'm not used to that stuff.
I caught schizophrenia in that tunnel, cuz.